Hi there, I'm Joanne from Sheet Leveler, and I'm here to help you get the most out of Excel. Our video tutorials are designed to be easy to follow and make your time using Excel as efficient as possible. Today we'll be showing you how to create a scatter plot in Excel. A scatter plot can be used to show the relationship between two sets of data, making it a great way to visually represent your data. Let's get started. Excel offers a variety of charts that can be used to present data in a visually engaging way. In our previous video tutorials, we demonstrated how to make a line graph or bar chart. In this tutorial, we will use a scatter plot to visualize the correlation between cost and profit. Before we begin, it is important to note a few key points. It is important to understand that, unlike other types of charts, a scatter plot requires numerical data for it to be effective. The X and Y axes will only display numerical values. So, having your data organized in a clear table can be very beneficial when creating a plot. When selecting two columns of values that you want to be plotted, the column on the left will be represented on the X-axis horizontally, and the column on the right will be displayed on the Y-axis vertically. Therefore, it is important to be thorough when organizing the data you've gathered. Take your time and create a table that is well structured and organized. Once the data table is organized and the values to be used are chosen, creating the scatter plot is easy with a few clicks. To start, navigate to the Insert tab, then select Charts and Scatter. You will be presented with a variety of options to choose from. From the options available, choose Scatter. You will be presented with a variety of options. I'll choose the first one that you see. This should create a simple scatter plot. Excel will generate a visual representation of data, known as a scatter plot, and insert it into the spreadsheet. Previously, we mentioned that the values from the left column, cost, in our sheet are located on the X-axis, while the data from the right column, the profit, are displayed on the Y-axis. The points of intersection between the cost and profit values on the X and Y axes are represented by the dots displayed on the plot. For example, this point illustrates the cost-profit relationship of product A, which has a cost of 400 and a profit of 100. A scatter plot is a useful tool for quickly visualizing the relationship between two sets of data. It helps to quickly identify patterns and trends in the data, making it an effective way to interpret and analyze information. Let's take a more detailed look at some of the ways we can modify the plot to get the desired outcome. It's easy to move the chart around on the sheet. Just click anywhere in the chart area and hold down your left mouse button. Then, you can drag the chart to wherever you want it to be. To resize the chart, click and hold on any corner of the chart area. You can then adjust the size of the chart by dragging one of the small circles. If you select the chart title, you can customize the name of the chart to whatever you like, such as cost-profit relationship. Let's keep making progress. If you need to customize the color and style of your chart, simply click the empty space in the chart area, then go to the Chart Design tab. To change the color, select the Change Colors button and pick whichever color you like. To switch the plot style, remain on the Chart Design tab and click the arrow pointing downwards to select from different plot styles. Choose the style that best fits your requirements. Additionally, please keep this in mind. The plot is dynamic and will show the most up-to-date information. So, when you change any value in the data table, the plot will update automatically. Let's show that in practice by reducing the value of product A from 400 to 150. You will notice a shift in its position on the plot. If you're looking for help with chart types or modifications, our Sheet Leveler tutorials have you covered. We have several videos that provide you with all the information you need. To access them, just click the links in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like. Is this your first time on Me? I'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join us. Learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.